Hi, I'm Yuchen Wu. Today I'm going to talk about my DSARI project. I choose the option 5, which is the conduct and an energy adult. This is a graph I got from the U.S. Energy Administration, which is include the newest data from the last year. The graph clearly shows that the industrial spend the most energy each year and at the same time gradually increased. Not only the industrial part, but also for the total cost, also show the positive future. As we can see, the transportation increased slowly, but uh, for the residential, we did a pretty good job in the last 3 years. But at 2018, it get back to the 2014 level. Um, this is the this is the detailed process about how I did this project. First, get the equipment, the kilowatt, and second, plug into the meter and start record the data on the machine. After that, use multiple kilowatt to measure different electric machines, such as television, cell phone charge, hair dryer, laptop charge, lighting, water kettle, and the refrigerator. This is the data I got collect from the experiment. It is very obvious that refrigerator costs the most energy each day because it cannot turn off, and the water kettle costs very little amount for energy. Um, as we can see in the graph, the hair dryer costs a lot of power, but we didn't use too many for every day, so it didn't cost too much. But my laptop charge is kind of higher. I think that because I use the both computer and the laptop, that's the reason why it's kind of higher. After recognize the data that I listed on the previous slide, this is what I got. Since the refrigerator costs the most energy each day, it also spent much more money than other machines, which leads on the graph. It costs around 62 cents per day. The rest machine cannot cost too much each day, but still cannot ignore, because people need to recognize that to save energy, we need to start moving some small steps first. For the summary, as I said before, the refrigerator costs the most energy each day, and there's are variety of the appliances that I didn't measure this time, such as electric cooker, microwave, and so on. If each appliance costs every little energy, however, combine them all together, the number is huge. Conclusion and the suggestion. Uh, first one I would say is also obvious that a refrigerator costs a lot of energy for that, but I don't think I have a good way to change that situation. But in the future, if I have my own house, I will definitely choose the least cost energy refrigerator to save energy. And second one is there's one thing that I find is important to know is that put too many appliances on the same plug but do not using them will also waste a lot of energy. One more suggestion is every time when I leave home, I should turn off all the lighting and the electric appliances to save energy.